Hello, namaste to you all. This is Subash. Today I am gonna share you one of the amazing and cool features of the Chrome. Normally we use Chromes like this, and most of the users don't know about how to use our Chrome like this. So right now you can see in my screen how my Chrome is look like. Yes, my name written instead of Chrome. So you can show here with amazing cool feature how we can do this. I am gonna tell everything about this video step and step wise. So for this one we continue with video. So firstly we need to open up Chrome, and then after search here my doodle in a search bar. So search MYDOODL my doodle. Then after press on enter. After pressing you can see the first link my doodle Chrome web store. Press on there. After pressing then you can see the option. Then after press on add to Chrome option. Then after press on add extension option. Then after it started to download, it take a little bit time. Then after you can see here it's extended in my Chrome. So and this is finished. Then after I need to press on corner, you can see here there. Then after pressing here, then you can see the my doodle option. I will press there. After pressing there, you can see the name option my doodle. So in my doodles there we need to press the name, which names you wanna keep there, then just write the name. And then after press on default option if there's showing, otherwise it automatically search. Then after you can also choose the color or image instead of that one. And then after I just want to choose my name, right name. Then after I press on show review option. After pressing show review option, then you can see here my name is showing here instead of Chrome. Then after when I search something in a Google, like so something I want to search here, like something ABC or something, then after you can see here my name is showing there instead of Chrome. In corner you can see my name, sir. So this way we can change our Google's name. It's amazing and cool features of Google. Most of the users don't know about this one. So hope this video is really good for you to look your Chrome fantastic and cool view. Thank you for watching our video.